Hey guys, it's Derek, and today I'm going to be doing another video once again. And I bet you're wondering, what is this one going to be about? Well, it is not going to be on the security system. I'll do one next time. Instead, it is going to be an update on this. Yep, the Chamberlain MYQ. I have not done another garage door update, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So anyways, for those who are new to this channel, this is what the Chamberlain MYQ looks like. So yeah, let's demonstrate the light. But first, here's what it says in here. Yep. Now let's demonstrate the light. So yeah. Now let's give it a demonstration. So yeah. As you can see under here, here's what it says. It says lift power system. So yeah. Now, I'm actually going to do something I've never done before with a garage door. Let's do a sensor safety test. So, oh, and I also want to show you this keypad right here. This is the Chamberlain keypad. You can see. It's just like the LiftMaster keypad. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, so now let's do a sensor safety test. And we'll activate from here. Can't show the code. Alright, sensor safety test. Alright, here we go. See, the light flashes. You hear that clicking too. Alright, first sensor safety test. So yeah. Alright. Alright, so I think that is it for this video. So, but before we end it, let's close up the garage. We'll just press this instead of using this. So here we go. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it. See you next time. Goodbye.